This is the free one that we got from the nice gentleman at Northeast Fireworks.
Yes, down in Tioga, Massachusetts.
Happy?
Tioga, Pennsylvania. Happy.
Yeah, I'm scared. Now I'm scared this isn't good.
Oh shit.
Here we go.
Oh. Oh dear. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh, that shit. Woohoo! Oh my god. We have a mini firework! Assembly, yes! Woo!
Your mom's gonna come over.
Oh yes.
She's gonna know it's...
That was awesome! That kicked ass. We love the man at Northeast Fireworks.
That was nice and stationary. So
Northeast with the fireworks.
Balls of flame.
That was total balls of flame. That was shooting up above a tire.
That was really good though.
That was crazy.
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
Happy. Very good.